Hello friends, today we are going to make some pizzas. Preheat the oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. We'll start off with putting pizza sauce on top of the pizza base. Spread the pizza sauce evenly. So here I have taken some mozzarella cheese, layered with this cheese on top of it. Let's start preparing for the veggie pizza also. Take some chopped tomatoes, onions and jalapenos. Heat some oil in a pan and saute these veggies for 1 to 2 minutes. Add some salt as per the taste. Now put this pan with the veggies aside. Mix some ketchup and chili sauce in a bowl. Take another pizza base and spread the sauce on top of it. Put the veggies on top of the pizza base and spread it evenly. Now grate some cheese on top of it. Here I have taken Indian cheese. Put both the pizzas in the oven and start the oven for 8 minutes. Take them out of the oven and it's ready to serve. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.